let's say you install Microsoft Office, maybe Office 365, but when we open Word, for example, let me open Word. And if I go here in account, boom, here we see, like, it shows me it is Microsoft Office Home and Student 2021. Or even worse, you see product activation failed banner. Yeah, it happens a lot. The wrong license configured on your system, maybe from an old install or a different account or even leftover file. In my case, I bought Office 365, but it shows me Office 2021. Not cool, right? So how we can fix this wrong Microsoft Office license? This is what exactly we're gonna do in this video. Okay, so now let's talk about removing the existing Office license. For that, we also require to open File Explorer. So let me click here on File Explorer, and I'm gonna go here inside PC. And here we need to verify or check my Office installation in these two directories, which is program file x86 as well as program file. So I'm going to start with this one, which is program files x86, where we need to look for Microsoft Office folder. And there we have it. So let's again make double click on it. And here you should have Office 16 folder. But here I only see one folder, which is Office, and inside Office there is nothing. This means that this is not the location that I am looking for. Now I'm going to go in program files. And here again, I can see there is a folder known as Microsoft Office. So let me open that. And here I found this Office 16, which is the folder that I was looking for. Okay, because this folder have got these scripts that we need to run to configure or remove our Office license. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to copy this path. And let's press Windows menu button. And here I'm going to type cmd. Now run it as administrator, and now here I'm gonna write cd space, and then I'm gonna paste the path that we copied from here. Okay, basically in command prompt also I would like to go in the same folder. So after entering the path, I just hit enter, and now here you can see I am in the same directory as I am in this Windows Explorer. So let me actually keep them side by side so that I can make you understand what exactly I am doing. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to type the following command, which is cscript space. Then we need to type this one, the name of this file, okay, which is ospp.vbs. And then we need to leave a space and then /, then we need to type dstatus, dstatus, which is going to show you the license status or which license we have installed. Okay, so let me hit enter, and now here I can see this is the license key which is installed, which is Office Pro Plus Grace Edition, which obviously I do not want. So what I'm going to do here next is we need to uninstall this key. Okay, so this is the 5 last character of the key. So what I'm gonna do again is write the same command, which is cscript ospp.vbs, and then we need to type space and then /. Now we need to write unpkey, okay, which going to remove the key. Now we need to place the column, and then we need to enter the 5 letter of the key, which is in this case are the following. Okay, so let me copy this and paste it here, and now let's hit enter. And now here you can see we have successfully installed the product key for Office 16, and again restart it. This time I should not see the key. So let me again go here in account, and still I see this thing is there. So let me again go back. Again, I'm gonna write the same command, which is the status one. And now it says that no installed key detected, which means that now my system should not have any issue in installing the new key. So to install the new key, all we need to do is we need to again type the following command, which is cscript and then ospp.vbs, And this time, instead of unpkey that we use to uninstall the key, we going to use another command, which is /inpkey, and then I'm going to type colon, and then here you require to type your 25-digit key. So let's say, which is the following. Now hit enter. And of course, this is not a valid key, so that's why it is saying invalid. So I was just showing you how you can install it, okay? Now after entering the key, the next command you need to type is the following, okay? Which is cscript, again ospp.vbs, then space / and activate. So in this way, guys, you can activate Microsoft Office with correct subscription. Now, let's say you are not facing that kind of issue where you are seeing another license being configured. And in that case, it is more straightforward. All you need to do is you need to go here in account and then click on sign in. Now, after clicking on signing in, let's say you bought Office 365 license just like me. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to simply enter the ID with the help of whom I bought this license. Then after entering your license, you can see here it says that Office has been updated. And then you can see also it started making changes. Now let me close this and let's restart Microsoft Word. And this time here I should see that now the Office product is now changed from Office 2021 to Microsoft Office 365. And that I can also see in terms of features. So here I can see that the Office 365 have got a different type of feature set. So in this way, we can remove the license that is of no use for us and activate the required license correctly. That's all, guys, from my side in this video. I hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please do like and subscribe to Technoholic to see more such content related to office productivity. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.